This short video is to update you on issues that were presented in the Launchpad session at the beginning of December. There is now a new curriculum disc with completed versions of the entire 912 curriculum. It includes resources for both students and CTs. The CT side of the curriculum disc includes answer keys for all the 912 curriculum, old and new at-a-glances, novel study guide, answer keys, STAR test prep, and the introductory work packets. On the student side, each and every curriculum folder includes all resources for that curriculum, including any STAR or KC test prep. Assignments and answer keys for the new World History and U.S. History are now complete. We have also included new narratives for each of the videos for students who do not have access to Launchpad. Also, we've included in the current events assignment the map test that the students take at the beginning of a cluster. We are also going to include this in Launchpad. For students who do not have a computer, we have created a U.S. History and a World History workbook. You can order this through the Launchpad order wizard, but this is only for students who do not have a computer. There are a couple of different ways to check a student's login activity in Launchpad. The first is the Login Activity tab. This page will show you when the student logged into Launchpad. The second way is through the Quiz Test Activity page, which listed at the top will let you know how many minutes a student spent on an activity, when they began it, and when they ended it. There is a new curriculum update page in VIE Community. Any updates to the 912 curriculum will be posted here with instructions and links to the corrected versions. The grade report in Launchpad is impossible to sort due to inconsistent naming conventions. The new navigation of Launchpad will include new identifiers for the different types of assessments. The new export will list the identifier, either a quiz, worksheet, or a test, instead of the name of the assessment. We are currently in the process of identifying all the vocabulary pieces in Launchpad. Before we can make any changes to this format, though, we first need to decide on a standard point value. In regards to the issue of inconsistent point values, with the various ways CTs keep grades, some use point system and others use percents, this issue needs more discussion. Before we can make quick decisions to create standard point values, a focus group needs to look at current gradebooks and find solutions that will make sense for all. For blank question boxes in Launchpad, we will be reviewing this piece to identify copyright permissions and will apply any corrections during a summer cleanup. This summer we will also be identifying all the essay pieces of the assignments and determining common directions for all essays that will prompt students to write more than 1 to 2 sentences. To see anticipated completion dates of these issues, a table is available on the 912 curriculum update page. This table will be updated periodically to show the progress and completion of the Launchpad issues.